So, after blowing this fucking hydraulic line and changing it, we still got a couple of leaks. Pressure
What
wash.
you do this thing now?
Gonna pressure wash it. And this is the line we changed.
Yeah.
And it's still dripping here, so we might take this whole steel off so I can bring it outside so we can actually have room to tighten it and check if it's not leaking. Then it'll be a lot easier to turn it in here after. But she is
You got slack in that?
filthy.
Enough slack to pull it out?
Yeah, it is nasty in here. So we got a lot of cleaning to do. And then we'll take another video after, see how well it cleaned out. We shall see soon.